Thanks so much for watching. I hope these questions and answers on 10 different topics will help you feel more comfortable speaking English in real-life situations. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these sentences until they feel natural, and don't be afraid to try them out with friends or family. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which topic was your favorite or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover next. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from New York, USA.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading and sports.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you have breakfast every day?
Yes, I do.
How do you go to work?
I take the train.
What time do you start work?
I start at 8 a.m.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What do you do after work?
I relax and study.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I exercise 3 times a week.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you watch TV in the evening?
Yes, sometimes.
What is your favorite part of the day?
Morning, I feel fresh.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
Where do you usually shop?
I shop at the local mall.
What is your favorite store?
I like clothing stores.
Do you prefer online shopping?
Yes, it's convenient.
How often do you go shopping?
I shop once a month.
Do you buy groceries yourself?
Yes, I do.
What did you buy recently?
I bought a new jacket.
Do you look for discounts?
Yes, I love discounts.
How much do you spend on shopping?
Around $100 per month.
Do you like shopping with friends?
Yes, it's fun.
What's your favorite cuisine?
I love Mexican food.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually have cereal and milk.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook daily.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is lemonade.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries.
Do you eat vegetables daily?
Yes, I eat them every day.
Do you like fast food?
Yes, but not often.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate cake.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where did you last travel?
I went to the Grand Canyon.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love the beach.
Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
I prefer beaches.
Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, once to Canada.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, road trips are fun.
What is your dream destination?
I want to visit Japan.
Do you prefer solo travel?
No, I like to travel with friends.
How often do you travel?
I travel once a year.
What do you pack when you travel?
I pack clothes and essentials.
Where do you study?
I study at City University.
What is your study field?
I am in engineering.
Do you like your study?
Yes, I enjoy it.
How long have you been working?
For 3 years.
What time do you start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
Do you work full-time?
Yes, it's full-time.
Do you enjoy working with your team?
Yes, very much.
What do you find challenging?
Managing time is challenging.
Do you prefer working from home?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What are your career goals?
To become an architect.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny today.
Do you like rainy weather?
Yes, I love the rain.
How's the weather in your country?
It's warm most of the year.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
How hot does it get in summer?
It can reach 35 degrees Celsius.
Do you get a lot of snow?
No, not much snow.
Do you like sunny or cloudy days?
I prefer sunny days.
What do you do on rainy days?
I stay indoors and read.
How cold does it get in winter?
Around -5 degrees Celsius here.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and painting.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy tennis.
What do you do in your free time?
I read or watch movies.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading novels.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite is painting.
Do you have any artistic skills?
Yes, I can draw well.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I watch them often.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, I find it relaxing.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I do.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I run and do yoga.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat well.
How much water do you drink daily?
I drink about 2 liters.
Do you get enough sleep?
Yes, around 7 to 8 hours.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, I take vitamin C.
How often do you see a doctor?
Once a year for a checkup.
Do you smoke or drink?
No, I don't smoke or drink.
What do you do to relax?
I meditate and read books.
Do you use a smartphone?
Yes, I use it daily.
What's your favorite app?
My favorite app is Instagram.
Do you like video games?
Yes, I enjoy them.
How often do you use the internet?
Every day, several times.
Do you have a laptop or a desktop?
I have a laptop.
Do you like social media?
Yes, I use Instagram a lot.
How many hours do you spend online?
About 3 hours a day.
Do you use technology for studying?
Yes, I use it for research.
What do you think of online learning?
I think it's very helpful.
Do you prefer reading on a screen or paper?
I prefer paper.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope these questions and answers on 10 different topics will help you feel more comfortable speaking English in real-life situations. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these sentences until they feel natural. And don't be afraid to try them out with friends or family. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which topic was your favorite or if there's a specific topic you'd like me to cover next. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.